All right, guys. Today I had 6 trades, 4 green trades, two red trades. So a good ratio there, but unfortunately racked up a lot of commissions. So it was a net green day, but not as green as I'd like. First trade was on ticker ZM Zoom Video, and you can see it pulled up right here. What I saw was on the 1 minute chart. You see it takes off up here. You see it takes off up here, comes back down, tests the 200 and the 50 MA on the 5 minute chart. Those act as strong support. It goes back up, reclaims VWAP. I take it long, thinking we're going to test high of the day. My stop loss really should have been below this 50 MA, but really I kind of said if it didn't hold VWAP, I was going to bail. That's what I did, which I'm happy with, because on a long scale you can see here that it ultimately was a long. But you know, this is over the course of several hours, and I just don't trade like that. So I'm okay with getting out, even though I was right about the price action there. My next trade was the trade that dug me a hole, which was on Tesla. And so I took Tesla short. And what I saw, the reason I took it short was it was weak, bounced up, hit this resistance, started its way down, and I took it short. The issue was I really didn't wait for the proper pullback. I took too big a share size to hold all the way to here, which is just absolutely terrible trade management on my part. And of course it did the thing I wanted it to, which is go short. So I stopped myself out for a max loss there. Luckily I hopped back in, because it formed like a nice boot little pattern, and scalped it right there for a good game. But this set me in a big hole. What else did I have today? Tesla, Space. That's right. I traded Space today. I mismanaged this trade too. Wasn't a good day for trade management for me. But you see on the 5 minute it looks strong again, bouncing off 200, above the 50, above VWAP, above these levels of support. So you say, well, I have a lot of support below. So I took it long here. And I also liked on the 1 minute I got above all the potential resistances, and I got on top of the MA. So I took it long. I took a partial here. I should have taken another one here, but I was really too stubborn. I was waiting for exactly $35 because there's a big ask on the level 2, and it got just shy of it and then fell back down. I stopped myself out, and that was the right move, because it went quite a bit lower before it kind of chopped around in this range all day. So that was basically a break-even trade. Now we'll go to my best trade of the day, which is right here on Alley, ticker Alley there. So I call this kind of a boot pattern. So if you can picture this as like a boot, like a shoe, it's kind of a boot. So this is a short boot, is my terminology for it. So I saw it starting to curl, and so I took it short and then scaled out as I was approaching different mile markers. You know, my real profit target was to get to low of the day and then maybe even break through. I scaled out as we went to it. This was my last 10% of my trade, and I set in a range order to stop me out if it got near break even. So that was a really nice trade for me. That was the cleanest one of the day for sure. And lastly, I had a quick scalp. Wow, it's funny that it happened to circle that. I had a quick scalp on ENPH. So similar thing in that it comes down, it loses VWAP, it's gapped up on the day, so there's a chance, you know, some of these people that really made a lot of money right here are taking profit, so it looked weak. And we had broken below this 50 MA on the 1 minute chart, so I took it short, and I knew that if I got anywhere near this 51 price point, near this MA down here, I was just going to get out. So it was a scalp all along, because this thing can move quick, and that was a really nice scalp for me. And you can see that, thank goodness I got out, because basically near the low of the day, or the low after the opening, and then it's just been on an upward trajectory since then. So that was my day, and slightly green day, but wish it was an even more higher green day, but I'll take it.